2023 Toyota Prius review and prices. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. Pros. Proves the Prius doesn't need to be ugly to be efficient. Easy to use multimedia interface. Sturdy acceleration for highway merges and passing maneuvers. Driver aids are well calibrated and intuitive. Cons. Much smaller cargo area and rear opening. Back seat headroom is at a premium. Gauge cluster blocked by the steering wheel and hard to see. Noisy when the gas engine kicks on. What's new? Redesigned for 2023 with stylish new look. Considerably quicker than previous Prius models. Toyota estimates it gets up to 57 miles per gallon combined. 2023 model kicks off the 5th Prius generation. The prices. MSRP range, $27,450 to $35,865. Overview. For its 5th generation, the Toyota Prius has gone through a truly remarkable transformation. Eco-geek is out, eco-chic is in. The 2023 Prius gets a complete redesign with a sleek new shape and an overhauled interior. There's also a more robust hybrid powertrain that offers considerable gains in performance yet still gets similar fuel economy to previous models. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.